Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My artificial grass are all done. All done. So a while ago, I finished that one a while ago. It looks great. Okay. The siding of the house, I put a weed barrier. Then I put on top the white stones. Okay, so it looks great. So actually, that's the final chapter on this artificial grass. What you call this installation. So the frontage is already complete. Okay, the arch was painted. The siding of the house was repainted a little bit, so it matches the original color. Okay, so this is the front lawn that was installed by me by using do-it-yourself for a total time of around 2 weeks. This was the lawn underneath the tree. So that portion on the siding, I put a little stripe of artificial grass, so we could determine the boundary lines of the stone. Okay, it looks nice if it got a boundary line which is made of artificial grass. So just as of the moment, I blow this one. Okay, I got the blower. Oh, unluckily, we are having a grass coming out. Anyway, it's only on the side. Okay, so this was the one I did a while ago because I was waiting for the 10-inch nails to arrive. And I ordered 2 additional bags of white stone from Home Depot. And like what I said, I put a stripe so we could determine the boundary line of the stone. Okay, it looks nice. Just to show you the leaf lawn going to the driveway, this was the leaf lawn. Okay, that was the leaf lawn. It's all done. It's all nailed around with the 10-inch nails. Even this one here, I make it a point that this looks great because this is the outlet of the power lines going to our houses. This is actually electric from Edison Company. That's for the transportation. No, communication, telephone. This is for electric. That's why in here inside the compound, you could not see any poles going to the power lines of houses because it's all underground. So this is underground going to the houses. So this is the view. Okay, going to this. That's the view of the front lawn. It's completely done. Okay, it looks nice. I spent around only $1,000, all of it, because I got the receipts from Amazon and Home Depot. I spent only around $1,000. So if I try to do this one by using contractor, they might charge me 3,500 or 5,000. and I just spent 1,000, so I got a saving of 4,000. At least I have done it myself, and it's nice to do what you can do if you can do it yourself. Okay, that's it. That's the complete summary of the do-it-yourself artificial grass installation. Good afternoon from Los Angeles. This is Professor David J. De Los Angeles.